Good morning students, myself Harita. I am here to teach you the 4th class English. Tell me if the festival or if the festival came, what you will do immediately? You will ask your mama or papa buy a new dress, right? So we are having, if your birthday also is there, definitely you will buy the new dress, right? So in all ages you will wear the same dress? No. Now tell me, in your home only you will all the members will wear the same dress? No. Your father will wear the shirt and pant, right? And your mother will wear the sari, and you will wear the frock. Or if the boy is there, then shirt and pant, right? So in your home only so many types of dress we are wearing. Now if we went to the other states, if you see, there are Rajasthan style, Punjabi style. If you see in your YouTube or anywhere, these many we are having the dresses, right? So now we are going to the lesson of Neemu is got a sari. Got a Neemu got a sari. Now if you see here, this girl is wear the sari, and this girl Punjabi, and this one Gagra choli, and this one shirt and pant. So many varieties we are having the dresses. Okay. Now, so this is a story about a little girl which liked to dress up like her mother in a glossy manner. That means you will also do like this, right? If your mother wear the sari, the girls will do more for this. Girls will take the mother sari and they will wear and they will act as a mother, right? So here Neemu is a girl. Okay, the character of one girl in the story is Neemu. Neemu was very happy to see her mother's new dress. Okay, what was special in the dress? It was a 3-pieces dress: salwar, kameez and dupatta. Salwar means top, and kameez means and the pant, and the dupatta means the chunni. It was a type of Punjabi dresses. Now before only I told, for the other different states we are having so many types of dresses. Punjabi dress and Rajasthan style sari they will wear like another one. So not in the other states, okay? So like the Punjabi dress, its a dupatta was bright as it has heavy embroidery and stonework. It has rose straps on which one could see red roses and green leaves. So in the dupatta, if you see here, it was a blue color, and in that also we are having the embroidery work in the dupatta and the roses and the leaves. So dupatta was like this. Neemu is very like the dupatta. Okay, in that Neemu found the dupatta very long when she thought of wear it. So she decided to wear it as a sari. If you have this dupatta, we can wear this one as a sari. So Neemu also got a thought to wear her mother dupatta as a sari. She tied it around her waist. She pretended to be her class teacher. That means she acted as a class teacher. So you will also do, if your class teacher not there, you will come and handle the class like your class teacher. So like that, Neemu also tried to act as a class teacher. She walked in the garden trying to copy her class teacher. That means she also walked like how the class teacher was going. She was busy teaching when honk honk. She heard the horn of her friend Deepa's car at the gate. So the friend of Neemu is Deepa. So Deepa, if we sound, right? So like that, she also heard that sound. Suddenly she felt shy. If anyone are saying that, suddenly we will feel shy, right? Right? She did not want Deepa to see her in the saree. Hurriedly, she took off the saree and threw it towards her house and waited. That means, if someone will come, what we are doing, we will feel very shy and we will take off it. Like that, Nimu also, when she was acting as a class teacher, her friend, what is that girl name? Deepa. Deepa came. Then Nimu feel that she can't see me. She can't see me, and only then she removed that dupatta and she threw it around her house. Okay, so after that, what happened? Just think out and guess it. Okay, so in this, what is your work means? So you should write that our states, other states dressing. So the work for you is other state dressing. You have to write by using your phone or anything. Okay, so definitely don't forget to write the dress types. That means the different style of dresses of other states, not in AP or Telangana, in the other states like Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Okay, students, bye, take care.